so many devotees came to Prabhupada and they said, oh, Prabhupada, I have this problem, I have that problem, this problem, that problem. Prabhupada very patiently and compassionately and lovingly is listening. So what should I do, Prabhupada? I think the best thing to do is chant Hare Krishna. Chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna jap karo. Because only Krishna can solve our dilemma. Only Krishna can bring us to Krishna. Nothing and no one can bring us to Krishna but Krishna. So Krishna says, this is my name, take it. Serve it. Share it. Worship it. Love it. And then if you do that sufficiently, they say, oh, you did that with my name? Now I will take you to my kingdom. So that's why he extends himself. Here I am in the name. Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he says in one book, our first introduction with Bhagavan Sri Krishna is through Nam, through his holy name.